So this is the motor that came in. The customer requested to change the stator. It had stator goo coming out of the stator. So it was presented because it had a hard start issue, recent purchase. So we changed the stator out and found that really didn't help that much. Went back in diagnostic mode and found that there was lacking fire or intermittent fire on 1, 3, and 5, which turned out to be a defective trigger. At least that's what we came up with, and replaced the trigger. So we haven't started up. This is first thing in the morning. So our goal is to make sure it starts quickly. Hold on a second. So to start it, squeeze the ball, give it some gas, turn it over and see how quick it starts. Okay.